Hi, I'm Francois, pastry instructor based in Los Angeles. I've loved pastry for as long as I can remember. Growing up in France and now living in California, I've spent much of my life baking and teaching, especially when it comes to French pastry. What started as a personal passion has grown into a career of creating dessert and teaching them, first in person and now online. In this class, we'll make one of my all-time favorites, the French strawberry vanilla tart. I learned this tart from top chefs in Paris, and it's one I'm often asked to prepare for clients. It's got everything I love: a crisp buttery pastry, a silky vanilla cream, a rich strawberry confit, and delicate cream petals on top. But this isn't just another recipe, it's a chance to step into the world of French pastry and bring a little bit of Paris into your own kitchen. We'll cover the ingredients, where to find the best options even outside France, and the tools you need to succeed. We'll start by making the short crust pastry, pâte sablée, and blind baking it with a professional technique that doesn't require pie weights. From there, we'll prepare a smooth, flavorful vanilla cream and a strawberry confit with bold, concentrated flavor. Next comes the decoration. I'll teach you how to make a special piping cream that lets you create soft, elegant petals that hold up beautifully. What seems complex will soon feel easy with step-by-step instructions, animations, and insider tips to master the art of piping. We'll go step by step through the two-color piping technique, and you'll see it's easier than you might think. To finish, I'll show you how to glaze the tart so it stays shiny and fresh. This dessert has become a favorite among my clients, and I know your friends and family will love it too. The look is stunning, the flavor is unforgettable, and it's always a crowd pleaser. Students who've taken this class before have had great results at home, and professionals find it's a dessert that sells quickly and offers excellent value. Pastry is about love, and I can't wait to share my recipe and techniques with you. So let's get started.